can't take it to your jerk.
No pussy test, try me lucky number. When I say man for box money in my face, so that my mean. Box money with it. Money! That me at all.
Money. Money. Yeah.
That is what
Next
I'm
money.
talking about.
This kind of
Oh, no, nothing can come book me for not cheap Charlie money. See money there.
So me say, alright, make me try. So me go so boom and me go in at the smallest level. Me go level 1, you see me? When me go so boom and jack level 1, you know. And me a click a man in time, me see say, yo, the money I make. So me say, make me see if me can withdraw the money. Because so bam, I withdraw to the OKX, me see the money going in the OKX. And then me see money cash out. So me I say, but me rotted, but this thing real. You understand? So me start build up the money because me say, yo, me nah tell nobody until me see me make back my money. You see me? So me go so boom and me a click, and when me look, me see say something, the money make back. The money pass so me off and December me join, you know. So me I say, but me rotted, but this is something a real man. So when me start to look at now, you know, me call my brother, you know, me I say to my brother, say, yo, bro, you know, say, a little thing where for sister they talk about, you think real, that man say, brother, me tell you already, say, yo, we done, go in a room and get bad beat, you know, brother. So how you call me and now I tell me about this, me I say, brother, me make back my money, you think real. That man say, no, I hear nothing, but that man cut off his phone. That man call me back same time and say, brother, you know, say, somebody in I can ask if I want me that we are talking about. And me say, yes, the woman just pop out a pile of money and say, brother, me just go withdraw me money. Me say, what you say? That man goes so booming next day and drop a VIP 3, cause VIP 1 me go. 2 click, man clicking past me. So me I say, what? And the man start laugh off of me and know. So me start to say, no man, but this is something I go on. So me go so boom, you know, I look a piece of money when me figure borrow. If fix up for me house now, me go so rather man borrow it and show in there. Me I say, what you do? You feel like say you can't come past me, a 2 click me and go so rather man drop a VIP 4. But me click 2 times, me fly past him. You see me, so when me look at now, me see say, yo, this thing coming like this can change people's life, brother. I tell you the truth. You see me? Because based on when me go up on a Zoom meeting, them have meeting all about them, I show you say, yo, we have office at Kingston, we have office this, we have office this. So me start to say, yo, but this thing can't fake. You see me? So when me I look back at me, I remember say, yo, Chronic Law even say, boy, now buy views for that song a stream. So me I say, but you buy views thing real. You understand? So that now when me go so boom and start and make a video, me I say, yo, people, them people that want 50,000 Jamaican to come work for them, you know, yo, the thing legit, you know, the thing real, you know, cause me I make back the money, you know. You see me? Me go so boom and put a video and even know, say, yo, the thing a set up, brother. You get me I say? The thing a set up. When me go so boom and drop a video, you know, a first video me have go viral, you know, 500,000. Me put all my number up on the thing. People are calling me. If me didn't know say a foolishness, me not do that, you know, brother. Me not put up my number and tell people about rain, you know, bro. You get me I say? Me put up my number, people are call me and no one, me I had people, me I send people in a group and something. You see me? And people are running 3 days because normally what me do, as I then say, you put them in a group, make them do 3-day internship, me know. Hold on, that one I got done.
Me know so no hear Shensia and Massacre new song where I mash up the place. Hit and run. The lyrics to that song says, you think you could have get in on my feelings. You think you could have get me fi settle down. But me want hit and run. That is what Miss Shensia says. When women were not whores and sluts and bitches. When women were not junkers. When women valued themselves highly. When women held themselves in high regard and in high esteem, you could never, ever hear a woman come out publicly and say, all she want from a man. In fact, if a man a look a woman, them time there, when woman a woman, if a man a look a woman, and the woman feels that all he want is sex, he could never, ever get her. But now, women have reduced themselves to doormats. Women are so loose. Women think nothing of themselves and they don't value themselves. They want to be promiscuous. They think that the thing to do is to run around and sleep with 1,000 different men. Them just want hit and run. Them no want settle down. Because if them should settle down with one man, it a go limit them earning potential. Them now go when them a run from man to man and every man a give them money, I saw them maximize them earning potential. So a little young man coming up now and want to enter into a relationship. Me sorry for him, master. Me sorry for him, me don't know what I'm going to do. Because them a girl ya, all them want to do is hit and run. And them not shame about it. Them not embarrassed about it. Which is why, Shensia, this song is a nice little commercial song. But it just now no. And you know what? You know what is true? They want to behave. They want to behave like you have to respect them. They don't want you to refer to them as. They don't want you to refer to them as. They don't want you to call them. But they do everything to symbolize that they are, as far as I am concerned. If you don't want to be referred to as. And now them have one thing now named hookup. These girls now, not just girls, it's not just young girls, the big woman them too. But I think it's restricted to any age. Them have a thing now named hookup. All they want to do is hook up and Netflix and chill. They don't want a relationship, they don't want to settle down. Like Shensia.
Can we take a minute to talk about the cost of living in Jamaica? Like, yeah, so month end just passed and everybody get paid. Now the first of the month and every bill due, right? So you have water, you have light, you have internet, you have rent if you are paying rent. And remember, say at the end of the day you need to buy food. Now food per month right now, $50,000 minimum per month. And bear in mind, I know say within the month you go back to supermarket go buy something. So me just always try to understand how the people that we get minimum wage survive. Like how they survive. Because me I get more than minimum wage and me cannot afford this life. I'm just saying it's like a hand to mouth thing I go on. Like honestly, it's rough. I'm gonna tell you like rough. Minimum wage, just the cost of living overall is just ridiculous. I'm gonna tell you like. I really $13,000 minimum wage at Jamaica only make me know in the comments. Because God know, back in 2011, when I was living in Stony Hill, 2-bedroom, kitchen, living room, veranda was $15,000, right? So all people really afford life with $13,000.
Us over there.
Yeah, not even when I tell you guys that for me to come to Jamaica right now, I can't even see myself come to Jamaica now because my US dollar cannot stretch there.
Travel warning against Jamaica right now.
I seen that too. But when it come on to money, I can't stretch my US in Jamaica anymore. Boy, Gina can't sit down still. But yeah. But my point is, right, the labor right, we're doing a video. Of course, I'm a labor right. If you're making $13,000 now, imagine you're making $20,000-$25,000. How can people live off $13,000? Is that every fortnight or every week? I'm not even sure, but that is just insane to me. But make me know if I'm getting the wrong information.
Vybz Cartel has got a court date in the UK on the 15th or the 14th of February for his appeal. So if it's in the UK, that must mean that we have some sort of say over what happens. Do you know what I mean? We must have something going on. So Rishi, if you're listening, free up my man. I guarantee you now, yeah. If you freed up Vybz, if you freed him up, yeah. This country will fight for you. They will fight for you. I know what I'd do. If I was the Prime Minister of this country and Vybz Cartel was having an appeal in my ends, I'd be like, free up the man. Pardon. What? Pardon? Oh. Free him up. Free him up.